This is a simple UI5 application being used to start certain project documentation, which maintained all the way in GitHub repository under the different markdown files. For that, I am just converting first the user input to a vector. To generate these vector embeddings, I am using TensorFlow.js model, which is a JS delivered and it's a client-side model consumption. Also, I have maintained a local JSON file where I am maintaining the answer title along with the markdown file ID. So first I'm loading the model under appcontroller.js. Once the model load is successful, I'm just giving a pop-up as that model is successfully loaded. I'm looping through this local JSON file, and for each title, I'm also converting them into respective vector. I'm calling this function text to vector to generate these vector embeddings and putting into an array. Finally, I'm doing a vectors comparison using a cosine similarity check. For that, I'm using this compute cosine similarity npm library. This cosine similarity helps to determine how these two vectors are close to each other, and it generates the score. This function I'm just calling to get that maximum score, which I'm rendering over here. Finally, I'm collecting the max score and the respective file ID, which I'm passing to OctoKit repository API for to access the respective markdown content from my GitHub repository project, and passing here the respective file ID. In return some markdown content. To render this markdown content, I am using a custom markdown controller which is added to my UI5 view. Let's start with another question, and voila, it gives the respective test plan all the way from GitHub repository. Hope it was interesting, and thanks for watching.